Hello everybody, welcome back. Just wanted to go over real quick how I have my boom mic set up for my ICOM 7300. There's a lot of different ways that people do this. This just happens to be the setup that I have working for me. So the first thing that I have is a condenser microphone on a boom, and it works pretty well. The audio drive is a little bit low going into the radio. So what I have to handle that is a mixer. This is one of the cheaper mixers on Amazon, and one of the complaints about it in the reviews is that it's mono only. But for HF, you don't need stereo. Now, if you were going to be doing something else where you needed the audio, like if you were doing podcasts or recording videos, and maybe it's not what you need, go with something a little bit more expensive. But for HF radio, this thing works great. The next thing that I have is a Heil FS3 foot switch. So I interface that to the radio with a Heil it's a Heil AD-1-i. That is the ICOM 8-pin round headset boom adapter, and it has the correct setup in it with the voltage blocking. Now, that keeps the microphone voltage from the radio from going into the mixer. The mixer has phantom power, 48 volts, so it'll properly power the microphone. The only other thing that I needed for this setup are some audio cables to go from RCA to Phono. That gets me from the mixer to the input of the Heil AD-1-i. With that all set up, I can sit here at my computer with the logging program open. I can have the mic over with me. With the pop filter, and I can press my foot down, talk into the mic, type at the same time, get everything logged in, have the timing correct on everything. It works fantastic. I love the way it works. It's great if you're a lazy logger like I am, and it's something that I recommend. So if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. And as far as everything else, you guys know how YouTube works. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next episode.